YouTube. It's your boy Aaron Truth on DRG, and today we're gonna unbox a 118 Autoart model that is a McLaren 650R. Stay tuned.
Me on my level, you'll never reach it. Mean devil, never teach it. And see me, man, better be quick, better sing fast like a Johnny be quick. You wasn't tripping, we was touching. When you first saw you, girl, I knew that I was crushing. Flipped out, man, I ain't saying nothing. Say what you want, I'm listening, don't be fretching. Seeing them in my drink, man, they got me buzzing. Act like you glad when I knew that you wasn't. Never touch me, don't push my button. I'ma land on rhymes, get you blushing.
All right, let's begin, shall we? As you know, a lot of you guys, that have been keeping up with me. You guys know that I've been getting mainly 112 scale cars, and I decided that I would go ahead and maybe pick up a 118 every now and then. I mean, I did the 118 456 that you do see on this channel. But those who've been following me for a long time, like back to the Aaron Truth channel, you see that I picked up a number of 112 scale cars, which I still love 112. I mean, 112 scale, why do I like it? I like it mainly because I think it gives the company an opportunity to add more detail, to make the car look even more realistic than, maybe 118. But, I mean, whether that's true or not, I don't know, but I think it's worth a shot. I mean, I don't mind spending the money for it. So, they wrapped this up pretty tight. So I got this on eBay. Wrapped this up pretty tight. I got a knife here to open this up. Let's see. I don't want to cut the box, but you don't want to dig too deep. I don't know how big the box is. It's close to the size of the box. Sometimes I get these, right? And the box, it'll be like a big box. Then you have another box, and then you have another box. There's some people that are really worried about the car breaking. But, hey, I don't mind. I mean, I may not wrap it up that way. I might wrap it up like this. Like where I'll have the box, the big box, and then styrofoam, and then the box. I wouldn't make it 3 times, But some people do that. I don't mind. Okay. Put this top layer to the side. Oh, here we go. Wrapped up like that. These are pretty cool. Let me do it this way, it's pretty cool. Much lighter than the 112. If you steal the 112 models, they came right out. The 112 models, you're like, You're trying to, hoist it out of the box. They're much heavier. I mean, think about, my my Lamborghini Murcielagos. Those models are between 9 and 11 pounds. They're pretty heavy. They're pretty darn heavy models, Let's hop to it. I don't want the video to be too long. We're already 3 minutes in. Are you serious? All right, hurry up. There we go. Just slide that out. Oh, look at that. What's this? Oh, the company I got it from. Sorry, no advertising. Want to advertise? Pay. Okay. Here's the front of the box. This is the only company we advertising right now. Autoart, dog. Check it out. I'm so used to the larger boxes. It's like small to me. McLaren GT3. Oh, I thought it was G50R, 650R. You know what? That's what it said on, I think on an actual post. They must have did a typo. It made me think it was R, it's an S. Well, hey, I never buy the race models. When have you ever seen a race model on my channel? So, I might get mixed up. But it's a 650S, not an R GT3. Is this upside down? I don't know what side. I guess this is right side up. But check it out. Let's see. Let's unbend this camera there. There we go. Set that there. Removal of screw. I forgot. Where is my screwdriver? I'm gonna have to pause this thing. Got the screwdriver. This. Okay, so you know what? They're starting to do this the way TSM does their models. They're boxing. You know what? I think this isn't die cat. I think this is. It feels like it's a what do you call it? The ABS composite. Oh, it's way down in there. There we go. At least they don't make them definitely tight like who's a company that did make it definitely tight? It was some company. It was it Top Market? Well, Top Marquees. They have a stand, so they don't really expect you to take it off, but they allow you. But you know, it's like when you have a stand, they say, "Oh, yeah, the person's probably not gonna take it off." You made the thing tight as a mug. It sure did. Ooh, that baby looks nice. I see it. It's not all the way unscrewed because it's moving with the bottom here. I have to edit this video. Ooh, that thing is nice. What screw is still in though? I mean, I could just do it with the. Okay, it's this one. That screws out. Okay. I'll take it out like this then. All right. Oh, there we go. Oh wow. Oh man. Oh look, like I didn't bend the top of it. But oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm speechless. Like I'm speechless. Like I'm totally speechless. Can you guys see this? I hope I get this right. Can you see this? Let's see if I can get it. If not, I have to take the camera off the holder. She's hooked up into the wire. Look at this. Oh no, I'll bring it up. Wow, wow. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe the way this looks in person is completely sick. Look at that. Look at that. Okay? They are not playing with this. This is, oh, look at this, look at this. It's like out of focus, right? Now tell me that this is not badass. Wow, yeah, it's not. It's just ABS composite. It is definitely not die-cast. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is wicked. I can't get it to focus. Man. Look at that. All right, so get ready for the pictures. All right, I have to stop the video now. It's getting kind of too long. So, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, DRG Diecast Rendezvous Group, and also go to the page, like the page, join the group. Model Car Maniacs. I'll see you soon. Peace.
Yo, my head is spinning, retinas glisten. Came from work, pressure risen, burning spirit coming out this flame. Intermission, gotta get this cake I'm itching. Sunk in place, intuition, locks and chains in position. Bars in place with precision. Core and flame, raise depression, hurt and pain with aggression. Live exposure filled with tension, mixed emotions filled with lesson. Pray to God, He gives us blessing. Fighting evil, never restless. Beat the devil till he's restless. Give me strength, most high my king. Help us rip this life from him.